Have you been looking for a basement home in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of this 3222 square feet basement home, full brick home right here in Hidden Lake Estates in Greenville, South Carolina. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And that includes Greenville County, Spartanburg County, Anderson County, Pickens County, Lawrence County, Oconee, and all the towns and cities in between. Now, we are also new construction experts, so we keep track of the local builders in the area and the incentives that they offer as well. Now, this particular home is built by Adams Homes right here in Hidden Lake Estates in the Malden area of Greenville, South Carolina. Adams Homes right now on this basement home is offering some really great incentives. If you're doing FHA or VA or USDA loan, you get a 2-to-1 buy down interest rate, which basically means that the first year your interest rate is 2.99%, the second year is 3.99%, and the third year through year 30 is 4.99%, which is pretty low compared to what's going on in the interest rate market right now. So that's the incentive for this one, as well as up to $7,000 towards your closing costs that the builder is offering right now for as an incentive on this particular basement home here. There are a couple of other homes that they're offering that incentive on in this neighborhood as well, but that's the incentive for this one if you're getting a FHA, VA, or USDA financing. Now, if you are paying cash or getting a conventional financing, then they're offering up to $20,000 on this particular home, and a select few that they're offering that incentive on. And it's a flex cash that you can use to buy down your interest rate, take it off the price, or you can use it to pay your closing costs as well. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified anytime we post a new video. So we're gonna go ahead and pan around here so we can take a look at this basement home here. It's listed for $460,250. So let's check it out. All right, these are full brick construction in this neighborhood. So all these homes are four-sided brick. There are sidewalks in the neighborhood, no pool or anything like that, but they do have sidewalks and street lights and common areas in the neighborhood. There is a new phase that will be opening up in a few months once they finish out the phase that they're in right now. So they'll open up a new phase. So there are still more opportunities to purchase in this neighborhood. The neighborhood is conveniently located like 10 minutes from Simpsonville, about 20 minutes from downtown Greenville, easy access to the highway, plenty of shopping, restaurants around here as well. So very convenient location. Like I said, it is in the Malden area of Simpsonville, which is a nice, desirable area here in the greater Greenville area. Okay, so as you come in, open floor plan. Basement goes down that way. It's pretty open. And right here you have a coat closet. Luxury vinyl plank flooring. And plenty of recessed lighting here. You got a little chandelier right here in the foyer area. And to the right, check out the bathroom here first. So you got a full bathroom. Same LVP flooring. And right here is one of the bedrooms. It does have a walk-in closet in this one. And the second bedroom. Got carpet on the floors, just a regular size secondary closet. Okay. Nice open floor plan. We'll check out the bedrooms and then come back into the family room here. So this is a linen closet here. I say it's carpeted in all the bedrooms. And owner's suite, got the nice recessed lighting up there. That's always nice to have extra lighting in these bedrooms so it doesn't feel so dark. All right, let's check out the bathroom. So you got the shower 5-foot shower there. And another linen closet. Double sink vanity. Got the water closet. It does close off here. Nice little fixtures there. And let's check out the closet. Your walk-in closet. Not super big, but you know, good size for a master. Okay, back in here. Got the dining area over there. Okay, now, you know, if this house is not what you're looking for, obviously there are other homes available for sale. So if you are looking for something, you know, a little more specific to your needs, maybe you don't need a basement home, or if you do, there are other builders that offer basement homes, and this particular builder also offer basement homes maybe here or in another community. So if this is not basically what you're looking for, just let us know. We'll help you find the right home for you and your family. All right, let's continue on our tour. All right, so you got the dining area there. Nice size island here. Look how long that island is. You can put plenty of bar stools here. You could probably put maybe 5-6 bar stools in front of this island. And you do have power, you know, on both sides, so you can be able to plug something in. Stainless steel appliances, you got the gas range, microwave built in. Okay, so you got the outlet on both sides of the island there. Pantry closet. You got the laundry room right here. And this goes out to the garage. 2-car garage. Got the pull down attic stairs. Tankless water heater. Automatic door opener for the garage. Okay, go ahead and check out the deck while we're on this level. Nice size deck there. It's a fully sodded backyard. Let's see. 4-sided brick. Plenty of recessed lighting up there. You can see all the crown molding throughout this main living area. Plenty of crown molding. All right, let's go downstairs and check out the basement. They do build this home without the basement. If you built it without the basement, it's, you know, just a little over 1,700 square feet. But the way it is right now, it's 3,222 square feet. Okay, we'll check out this room first here. So this goes into the unfinished part of the basement. That's where your air handler is there. And I'll pan around here. You do have your separate thermostat for this level as well. Okay, nice open space. We'll check out this side here first. There's a little storage space here. It could be used as an office, and they kind of call it a small office in the basement, but you know, it could be storage for you or for somebody else. And another linen closet. Bedroom here. And it's a little bit larger closet because it does stretch all the way over there. And you got the third bathroom here. 2 sinks in this third bathroom. Tub shower. your 5th bedroom. This closet here is pretty big actually. Yeah, long. Alright, let's check out the patio space on the basement level. And I like that these doors all have glass in them so you can get more natural light coming into the home. You can never get enough of those. The natural light coming in. Okay. And on this level, once you come down in the basement, it's pretty much level in the basement area. Almost level, not quite 100% level, but it's it's pretty much almost there. All right. So, like I said, this particular one, at the time we're recording this, it is available for sale, $460,250 with the builder incentives that are being offered right now on this particular one. So, and that varies whether you're doing a conventional loan paying cash or if you're doing an FHA loan. So, like I said before, if you're doing an FHA loan, you get the, or VA or USDA, you get the 2-to-1 buydown interest rate that starts at 2.99% for the first year, 3.99 for the second year, and then 4.99 year 3 through 30. And if you're paying cash or doing a conventional financing, it's up to $20,000 flex cash that you can use on this particular home. So if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amade here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can click on the link or scan the QR code to schedule a time to chat with us. All right, have a fantastic day. I'll show you around the neighborhood and drive through the neighborhood so you can see what the neighborhood looks like. Let us know if you have any questions. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a fantastic day. Take care. Bye.